are the Tbestmax 10-piece clear cosmetic bags. They immediately strike me as practical and lightweight organizers. I like that you get 10 of them. I like that they are fully transparent. The size is going to work really well for travel. I put some bubble wrap in here to demonstrate the actual size of this. I like these because of the visibility. I like the pink color, and I do believe they come in many, many, many colors. The zipper is fully functional and opens smoothly. Very nice. And these are going to be extremely useful for sorting cosmetics or any kind of real small item for travel, toiletries, miscellaneous things. And this is a good set for the value. They aren't super heavy duty, but for the price, they perform very well and are versatile enough to use anywhere and for any need, actually. Final verdict, I would definitely buy these again. They are smart and cost-effective and a nice way to stay organized. They're clear, they're lightweight, and they are functional. I do recommend.